Hello everyone, my name is Vipra Joshi and I am an assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management in Electrical Engineering Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on subject of basic electrical engineering. In this video, I will be explaining switch fuse unit and wire and cables. This is unit 4's topic of second semester in first year engineering. Switch fuse unit. Fuse unit is used for the purpose to isolate of the unit. It means it isolate the unit from the fault condition. And second is for the protection of the equipment in case of short circuit. It means if there is a short circuit fault, in this situation a high amount is flowing to the circuit, so this current can be damaged to the equipment. So for the protection of the equipment we can use switch fuse unit. It protects the equipment from the damage. It has one switch unit and one fuse unit. When we operate the breaker, the contact will get close through the switch and then the supply will passes through the fuse unit to the output. We can say in this we use circuit breakers MCB, ELCB and MCCB. These are the fuses, switch fuse unit. Okay, so the circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch which is designed to protect the electrical circuit from the damage caused by excess of current from the overload and short circuit. It means circuit breakers are designed to the protection of the circuit by which we can protect it from the damage due to excess of current from the overload condition and short circuit condition. Okay, so its basic function is to interrupt the current flow from the fault. And when fault is detected, so after detecting the fault it interrupt the current flow from the faulty circuit. Okay, so first is MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. It is commonly used in low voltage electric network instead of fuse. So it detects the fault by detecting excess amount of current flow in the circuit and break the circuits as soon as possible. It is used to protect people and equipment and cable against the overload current and short circuit current. दे कैन नॉर्मली रीसेटेबल, हम इसको रीसेट कर सकते हैं, जब एक बार यूज़ हो जाता है तो दोबारा इसको रीसेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट कि दीज आर नॉर्मली रीसेटेबल एंड क्लोज्ड प्रोटेक्शन and capable of handling multiple operation without failure. Now it is most costly. There are two arrangement of operation of MCB, miniature circuit breaker. First is due to thermal effect of overcurrent and other due to electromagnetic effect of overcurrent. So, in the thermal operation of miniature circuit breaker is achieved by when the bimetallic strip, whenever continuous current is flow through the MCV, the bimetallic strip is heated up and it deflects by bending. It means when there is a fault current and this current is continuous flow through the bimetallic strip, and by this the bimetallic strip is heated up because it is designed for some particular value of current, but in the faulty condition the current is high. So by the flow of that current, the bimetallic strip is heated up and it's bending. Let's see what are the working of the MCB. This is the diagram of MCB. Here we can say that this is a magnetic coil. This is a magnetic coil, and this is a on off switch, and incoming terminal, outgoing terminal, bimetallic strip is here. Okay, and arc quench. Okay, so this is the figure of MCB. Now, whenever a continuous overcurrent flow through the MCB, the bimetallic strip is heated up. And when the bimetallic strip is heated up, it deflects. And this deflection of the bimetallic strip released a mechanical latch. So, as this mechanical latch is attracted by an operating mechanism, it causes open the MCB contact. There are three mechanisms to make the switch off. They are, first is bimetallic strip, and second is trip coil, and third is hand over operated switch. And in MCB we can see that here in MCB the current flow first entered to the terminal and then into the inlet power terminal, and then the bimetallic strip and then the trip coil, and then the moving contact, and last at fixed contact, and after it is going to outer power terminal. Here we can see that these all are in series combination. So if overcurrent flows a long time through the MCB, the bimetallic strip becomes overheated and here it is deformed, and we can say this deformation of the bimetallic strip causes displacement of the latch point. Here this is a latch point. So if bimetallic strip is heated up, this strip is heated up, it deflects, and by this latch point is open. So the moving contact of the MCV is arranged by means of some spring mechanism here. So by this spring mechanism, it makes the moving contact to move for opening the MCB. If this moving contact is moved, then here this is also moved and it is open and come in this position from here to here. So the current coil or trip coil is placed in such a manner that during a short circuit fault, the MMF of that coils causes its plunger to hit the same latch point. And this latch to be displaced from its position. Hence, the MCB will be open in the same manner again. And when the operating lever of the MCB is operated by the hand from here, it means फर्स्ट कंडीशन, जब ओवर करंट फ्लो होगी तो वो सबसे पहले बायोमेट्रिक स्ट्रिप पे जाएगी, फिर ट्रिप कॉइल पे जाएगी, फिर मूविंग कॉन्टैक्ट, फिक्स कॉन्टैक्ट एंड फिर वो बाहर चले जाएगी. ओके, सो जब ये कंडीशन होगी तो बायोमेट्रिक स्ट्रिप हमारी डिफॉर्म होगी, जिससे कि वो थोड़ा ट्रिप हो जाएगी, बैंड होगी, और जिसके बैंड होने से ये जो आपका लैच पॉइंट है वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा अपनी पोजीशन से. तो वो इस पोजीशन से आ जाएगा इस पोजीशन पे और हमारा जो कांटेक्ट है वो ओपन हो जाएगा. नाउ इन केस ऑफ शॉर्ट सर्किट फॉल्ट, द एमएमएफ ऑफ दैट कॉइल मीन्स जो एमएमएफ जो इंड्यूस्ड हुआ है स्ट्रिप कॉइल में, वो कॉजेज़ होता है कि आपका प्लंजर हिट करेगा सेम लैच पॉइंट को और आपका जो लैच पॉइंट है वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा अपनी पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पे, जैसा कि आपका फर्स्ट केस में हुआ था. और इस हिसाब से जो एमसीबी है वो क्या हो जाएगी, ओपन हो जाएगी, उसी तरीके से जैसे कि फर्स्ट केस में हुई थी. अगर आपका लैच पॉइंट यहाँ से हट जाएगा तो इसका मतलब आपकी एमसीबी क्या हो गई, ऑन हो गई है. और फिर उसके बाद आप बाय हैंड इसको उसकी सही पोजीशन में आफ्टर द फॉल्ट आप उसे लगा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज ELCB. ELCB मीन्स अर्थ लिंकेज सर्किट ब्रेकर. ओके, सो ELCB gives the protection against the earth current. Okay, so it is also used to save human life from the electric shock. Okay, so it gives the protection from the earth current and it also used for protection by the electrical shock. Earth leakage circuit breaker is a safety device used in electrical installation with high earth impedance to prevent the shock, and it detects small stray voltage on the metal enclosure of the electrical equipment and interrupt the circuit from the dangerous voltage. This is the diagram for the ELCB. It consists of CBCT. CBCT means core balance current transformer, and it has one test button. This is CBCT, core balance current transformer, and this is the test button. Test button used we can by pressing we can use it. Okay, so whether it is we can test whether it is working or not. This is our line conductor and this is our neutral conductor, and this is our load which represent our household equipment. Okay, so when there is no fault, if there is no fault, then the current through the line conductor conductor will be equal to the current leaving to the neutral conductor, but the direction of these current are opposite. So per Fleming's law, the flux will induced in the core of CBCT wire having magnitude same but direction is opposite. So there is eliminate the flux each other. So there will be no residual flux in this case of core balance current transformer, in this case when there is a no fault. Okay, so by this there is an no residual current and the current is not flowing in it, then system is not uh, means not interrupted and it working fine. But in the second condition, if there is a fault, some amount of current which entering in the neutral conductor. Okay, so in this fault condition, some amount of current which is entering in the line conductor is grounded by the earth conductor if there is a fault. And so there is a difference in magnitude of the current entering and leaving coil, because some current is grounded by the earth conductor, so the magnitude of both the current are not same. In this condition, the flux produced in the CBCT is some magnitude and the current is flowing in it, or that current work as a signal for the relay, and relay sent operating signal to the circuit breaker, and the contact of the circuit breaker will open. So the circuit breaker will interrupt the contact and protect the circuit by the fault. This is the working of ELCB. In there, if there is a no fault, the magnitude of current is same, so there is a no flux in the CBCT, and if there is a no flux, it means there is a no current in the residual current sensing coil, and this relay is not operate. But if there is a fault, then the current passing through the line conductor and some current will be earthed by the ground. So in the neutral conductor, the current is flowing is different magnitude from the line conductor, and in this condition there is a flux produced in CBCT. It means there is a residual current in the sensing coil, or this current gives signal to the relay, and relay send the signal to the circuit breaker, and circuit breaker will be interrupt the contact. Now the next is MCCB. The full form of MCCB means molded case circuit breaker. Is the type of electric protection device that can be used for the wide range of voltage and frequency. MCCB has three main functions. First is protection against the overload and current above the rated value, and last longer than for the application. It means it protects from the overload. When there is a overload, it protects the circuit, and when the current is in magnitude with above the rated value. There the MCCB will use. Let's see how is the working of MCCB, how it work. So it is based on the principle of electromagnetism. Okay, so when MCCB it contain a solenoid coil which generate a small electromagnetic field. When current passes through the MCCB during normal operation, a electromagnetic field is generated by the solenoid. But when the short circuit faults occur, we know that a large current, in the case of short circuit fault, there is a large current, so this large current begins to start flow through the solenoid, and as a result a strong electromagnetic field is stabilized here, and by this strong magnetic field it attracts the trip bar and open. Advantages of fuse: it is the cheapest form of protection device. Okay, so it need no maintenance and it interrupt the circuit without any noise, flame, gas or smoke. The time of operating of the fuse is minimum, so it is very reliable. And the smaller size of fuse element impose a current limiting effect under the short circuit condition. And the last is its inverse time current characteristic enable its use for the overload protection. These are the advantages for the fuse. The purpose of wire and cable make the conductor. Wire is a single electrical conductor, whereas cable is a group of wires. Means electrical cable is a bundle of electrical conductor used for carrying electricity. Here wire is used for the domestic and small industrial wiring, and cable are used in small and big industry, distribution line and in transmission line. Now the first wire is vulcanized Indian rubber. It mainly consists of tint copper having a rubber coating on it. We can see here this is a tint copper having a rubber coating on it. This is called vulcanized Indian rubber. And a cotton braiding is done over the rubber insulation to protect the conductor against the moisture. And the second is CTS and TRS cable. These wires consist of vulcanized Indian rubber insulated conductor. Here at first we use vulcanized Indian rubber insulated conductor and then a insulation layer of rubber. Means here we use after this insulation a layer made be tough rubber sheeted covering it provided to it over this insulation, and this covering is very hard and it protect the wire from the moisture. These wires are available in the range of 250 to 440 volt only. Next is PVC wire. In this insulation, layer is provided by PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. They have low melting point. So they are not used in hot place because um, they can easily melt if temperature is rise, so they are not used in the hot place, and this type of wiring is used for residential and light commercial construction in many countries, and these are available in 600, 660 and 1100 voltage. It is widely used, long life, and uh, durable against water, heat, oil, and ultraviolet light. Now, the next is lead seated cable. This consists a insulation of vulcanized Indian rubber in conductor over which a lead seated means at first it consists of vulcanized Indian rubber and over which a lead covering is provided. It's give a mechanical strength to the wire, means these cables does not break easily because the mechanical strength is high, and the lead is a good conductor of electricity, so it provided with the earth wire for the protection. So these are the our cables and wire, in which cables are the group of electrical cable, means it electrical cable is a bundle of electrical conductor used for carrying electricity, and wire is a single electrical conductor. The difference is between only this: the wire is single and cable is a bundle of electrical conductor. Thank you.